Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using Google Maps. So in today's video guys, we're going to use Google Maps to find local businesses, and we're going to pitch them a service, which is we're going to help them rank their businesses with more stars or with more reviews. And you're not going to need any skill to do that. You will just need to pitch the businesses your idea, then you will need to convince them and get paid. Then you will go to freelancer.com or Fiverr, like that. You will go to fiverr.com. Then we're going to hire someone to do the job for us. So for example, we will get paid $200 from the local business that we will pitch in Google Maps. Then we will go to fiverr.com and find someone who can do the job or the service for less money. So for example, here let's search for Google reviews. Let's log in with our Gmail and give it a few seconds to log in. And here let's search for the service. Here just type, let's remove this, and here let's type Google reviews, Google Maps right here, and then we will find a lot of freelancers that are willing to do the job or the skill that we will need for less money. So here we have, I will reinstate suspended GMB Google My Business listings. I will optimize your website. This is SEO optimization. We need Google reviews. Let's search for reviews. Let's search for reviews. So we don't have one in here. Let's just go for ranking. Google Maps SEO ranking. Local SEO services, GMB ranking, map citations, SEO backlinks. So this is what we're going to choose, and here, as you can see, he will do it for $25, but we're going to get paid $200 from the business that we're going to pitch. So I will show you how you can find the business and how you can pitch them your idea. So here for example, let's choose a state. Let's go for the United States, and here let's go for Florida. Let's go for Florida, and let's see the businesses that we have in here. Zoom, and let's go to Tallahassee. This is the name of this place. So here, let's see if we can find some local businesses, hairstyles or plumbers. So here, let's type it in here. We have Tallahassee. Tallahassee hairstyle. Hairstylist. let's go for hair salon. Let's see this one, breath of fresh hair salon. So here, as you can see, you can take the number and call them, or you can just, as you can see, they don't have a website as well, so you can pitch them the Google Google Maps ranking. As you can see, they have 4.5 stars and they only have 21 reviews. So let's see the reviews. They don't have much reviews, so that's what we're going to pitch them. We're going to say that we can give them more reviews, and that will help them get more clients by ranking them higher in Google Maps. And also you can also pitch them to create their website. So you can see, we can make you a website to help you automatize your appointment settings. So when someone want to book an appointment with them, they won't need to call them anymore. They will just go to the website and book their appointment. Very bad experience with teen, never again. So we're going to also take all of these bad reviews, then we're going to say that we can remove the bad reviews and change them to better and more encouraging reviews. So that's the idea of this video, guys. So when you pitch those guys, you just need to take their number, see if they have WhatsApp, then you can contact them, and also search if you can find their email as well. That would be very helpful. Or if you can find their Facebook page or their Instagram page, to send them your pitch. And don't go for closing them in your first pitch. Just try to book a meeting with them using Zoom or Skype, and then you will be able to close them when you pitch your service directly to them. So that's the idea, guys, of this video. As I said, just make sure to choose someone that's gonna deliver the service for you, like this one in here. So you will get paid from $100 to $200 from the business for doing the job, and then you will pay the freelancer $25 to do the job. So that will leave you with a good margin of $175 or $70 profit. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.